The Seward stomacher is a sample homogenizer widely used in microbiology, food testing, and biomedical labs. It's designed to mix and break down samples safely, without direct contact, keeping everything sterile and contamination-free. The stomacher works by using two paddles that rhythmically strike a sample bag containing the specimen and diluent. This action releases microorganisms or analytes into the liquid, creating a uniform suspension ready for further testing, like plating or enrichment. To operate: 1. Place your prepared sample in a sterile stomacher bag. 2. Insert the bag and close the door. 3. Set your speed and time, typically 30 to 60 seconds. 4. Press start, and the paddles begin homogenizing the sample. After use, clean the chamber and drip tray, check the paddles and seals, and always use proper sterile bags. Routine maintenance ensures reliable, contamination-free results every time. The Seward stomacher is simple, reliable, and essential for accurate sample preparation in modern labs.